Hi everybody, welcome to Margie's Bite, and today I went to Hurricane Wings and I got their tempura meatball sliders with their kettle chips. So okay, the meatball slider is the meatball is rolled in panko breadcrumbs, as coleslaw, pickles, and their secret sauce. Alrighty. Let's check out their kettle chips. Look at that salt and pepper on that. Did you hear the crunch in that? Oh yeah, baby. That was the sound of crunchiness and oh, yummy. Alright, so I'm going to grab one of these sliders. It's a little messy, but alright, so okie dokie. Bread's a little salty, but it's cool. Alright, so we got this nice thick meatball. Coleslaw. Alright. Okay. Hold on. Okay. Alright, the coleslaw was nice and dressed up like vinaigrette. The meatball was absolutely nicely breaded and really moist. The bun was soft. The bottom got a little soggy from the coleslaw, but it's what it's expected. So, alright, well, thank you for watching. This is Margie's Bite. Peace out, people.